I found an incredible animal fusion niche that is gaining millions of views, but still remains largely untapped. There's an Instagram account that skyrocketed to nearly 1 million followers in just a few months, and their top reel has crossed over 80 million views. Naturally, I decided to dig deeper and research YouTube, and what I found was even more promising. Channels like Planet of AI have posted 74 videos and already gained nearly 300,000 subscribers. Another example is Bionic AI with 119 videos, over 140 subscribers. Let me show you one of their videos, and then I'll guide you step by step on how to master this. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert at creating AI hybrid animal videos that could go viral. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful prompt that will allow you to create stunning hybrid animal images. The prompt consists of only 3 straightforward elements to adjust the name of the first animal, the second animal, and the location. While this might sound simple, this method is highly effective. Let me break it down in more detail. First, open ChatGPT and request a list of animal names, or simply search for one on Google. From this list, select any 2 animals that you think would create an intriguing fusion. For example, let's say you choose a lion as your first animal and an eagle as the second. To complete the prompt, select a location for the hybrid animal to be set in. It could be anything: a desert, a forest, or even a futuristic city. The location is essential for setting the tone of your image. Once you've crafted the prompt, copy and paste it into ChatGPT and let the magic happen. ChatGPT will provide 2 variations of basic prompt and a hybrid prompt, both of which you'll test out shortly. Now it's time to test these prompts. First, copy the initial prompt, the normal image prompt. I personally recommend using Ideogram for this step, as it consistently delivers high-quality results. Start by signing up for a free account on Ideogram. Once registered, paste the prompt, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and click the Generate button. Alternatively, you can use another free image generator like Leonardo AI. Head over to their website, create a free account, and follow the same steps. Paste your prompt. Choose a cinematic or dynamic style, select the 9:16 ratio, and click Generate. The third option I suggest is Bing Image Creator, which is also free and reliable. Choose the tool that works best for you. Now, let's check the results from my diagram. First, I found the results to be quite impressive. Download the image you like most. I've provided multiple options to ensure you can obtain the best quality images without being limited to a single platform. Now, go ahead and copy the second prompt, the hybrid prompt, and repeat the process with any of the image generators: Ideogram, Leonardo AI, or Bing. Once you've compared the results, download your favorite hybrid image. We're not done yet. Let's try using different animals this time to see how versatile this method can be. Simply choose 2 new animals, replace them in the prompt, and adjust the location if you'd like. Then, head back to ChatGPT, paste the revised prompt, and let it generate 2 fresh prompts: a basic image prompt and a hybrid prompt. Start by copying the first prompt to generate the initial image, then use the second prompt for your hybrid creation. Repeat the process, compare results, and download your favorite images. Before we proceed, let me generate one more hybrid animal image. The next step will be the most critical part of this video. With the image generation phase complete, we now need to animate these images to make them truly stand out and increase the chances of monetization. One of the best tools for this is Runway ML, although it is a paid tool. If that's not in your budget, don't worry, I have 2 excellent free alternatives: Minimax AI and Vidul AI. I'll also share one more tool later on in case these don't work perfectly for you. To animate, start by uploading your hybrid image to Minimax AI. Click the Create button and let the tool work its magic. If this option doesn't work for you, head over to Vidul AI. Once there, click on Generate Videos for free, select from Image on the left-hand menu, and upload your image. Type in a simple prompt to describe the action happening in the image, then hit Generate. Be patient, as the process might take a while depending on the tool and your internet speed. If you're not happy with the first attempt, Don't worry, just retry a few times until you get the perfect clip. While I'm a fan of Minimax AI, Vidul AI has consistently produced better results for me. However, if you're still not completely satisfied, I have another free tool for you called Animating AI. Go to their website, sign up with a temporary email if you prefer, upload your hybrid image, and choose the animation style. I recommend the zoom in effect for a dynamic look. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you're ready to move forward. Click the export button, select MP4 with 3D motion, and follow the on-screen prompts, clicking next until your animation is complete. You'll now have a beautifully animated hybrid animal ready to go. With multiple tools at your disposal, you can choose the best one for your project based on your needs and preferences. Now, let's move on to video editing. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut, which works well on both mobile and desktop. Begin by importing all the normal images and hybrid clips you've generated. Start by placing each normal image on the timeline for 1 to 2 seconds, followed by its corresponding hybrid clip. Ensure each clip is displayed for the same duration to maintain a smooth flow. Repeat this process for all images and clips. Next, we'll add some flair by animating the normal images. Select each image to continue. Go to the animation settings and apply any style that fits your creative vision. Don't worry about animating the hybrid animal clips, they're already animated. Once that's done, move on to transitions. I recommend using a zoom in or pull in effect, but feel free to experiment with different transitions to see what works best. With your transitions in place, now comes the fun part, adding background music. Be sure to use copyright-free tracks. I found a great one on Pixabay, and I'll link it in the description of this video. After adding the music, export your final video, and you're good to go. But if you want a full tutorial blueprint for this niche, I'll put it in the description of this video. The full premium blueprint includes the sound effects I used, which you can buy for an affordable price. Here's a demo of the final result. To increase your chances of monetization, consider adding voiceover animations or a combination of both. Incorporating educational value can also help attract more subscribers and facilitate approval for monetization. Once you've built a solid audience, you'll have the flexibility to explore similar yet different content topics in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about Minimax in detail, check out this video.